Okay, so this here is a web animation I had to make for a project in my games development course, and I'm going to talk you through the code and how I made this web animation. So it's all done in a HTML file. It's all this code for the animation is done inside the head, as you can see here. Okay, so we'll start off with box 1. All this code here is for this yellow rotating circle. Okay, so I give it a height of 40 pixels and a width of 40 pixels. And this background color here is black. I chose this color so it'll blend in well with this image in the background. So the missing parts of the circle here will seem invisible. I give it a border of 5 pixels, just personal preference, and I colored it gold. Border bottom, I made it black. I did the same with the top to get these missing parts here that are rotating. Okay, so the border radius 200 pixels. This border radius, what it does is it makes it into a circle instead of it appearing as a square. The margin 9 pixels auto, that is the distance between the yellow and the red circle rotating, and the auto makes it for all sides, left, right, top and bottom. And then we get to this part. This makes it go in an infinite loop, and these things are for different browsers. WebKit is for Chrome, Mozilla, MOZ, and the Opera. Okay, so we moved on down here. Now this part is what makes it rotate. We're going to start off from 0 degrees, and I'm going to tell it to rotate 360 degrees. And this part up here is telling it to go in an infinite loop, keep doing it and keep doing it, and that's what makes it rotate. And then this is just repeated because it's doing it for different browsers, Mozilla and Chrome, same browsers again, Opera. So we move on to box 2. Box 2 is the outer box, this red box on the outside. I give it a height and width of 70 pixels and did the same with the background color. I changed it to black so it would blend in with this image in the background here. Border 5 pixels again to look the same as the yellow one, and just colored it red. So border right and left, I took them out, so just to give it a personalized look really. Now border radius is the same thing as above, as I showed you, that's making it into a circle. Now this margin left and right here, this is just for positioning where the whole animation goes. It started off down here, so I had to put a margin of -200 to get it up into this zone here, and then put a margin left to move it into this place right here. So we'll move on. This code we've seen before for the yellow circle, just making it go in an infinite loop, and this is the part that makes it rotate round and round and round for the different browsers. And that is my animation. Thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.